Hey, welcome back my friends. I'm Sprinkler Nerd Andy, and in this video, we're gonna take a look at the ZURN Double Check Backflow Preventer. This is the 1-inch model. Actually, it's the 350 model, 1-inch size. And I wanna start by prefacing that anything related to backflow prevention devices is oftentimes, if not every time, regulated by your local water agency or your local plumbing code. And so before you get started with a backflow project, check with your local plumbing code, because they're going to dictate the model that you can use or the various models that you can use, and also whether you're authorized to do backflow work. So in some areas, only licensed plumbers can install, maintain, and do backflow checks. So keep that in mind. But otherwise, we're gonna open this box up and I'm gonna show you what's inside. Cool. All right, let's go ahead. I'm gonna flip the camera over and we will take this guy out of the box. Here we go. Now, these are all heavy because they're solid metal. And, you know, I just wanted to give you kind of a overview on the size of it, and we'll flip back over real quick so you can see it relative, you know, like to me, how big is this device? Again, this is the 1-inch size, and let me start over here. So there it is, and water flows in the direction of the arrow. It does come with two ball valves on either side that you can use to isolate the water, either turn it off upstream or downstream of the check valve assembly. And that's important if you want to do repairs or if you want to, you know, blow out your irrigation system. So a couple things I will point out also. You've got these test cocks up here. So you can put pressure gauges on those to see what the pressure is. And then oftentimes in the winter, you know, with this particular model, the insides can be removed so that freeze damage doesn't occur on this device. And if it's going to stay in place, oftentimes you'll see contractors turn these test cocks right here so that they're open. So if any water's in there and it expands when it freezes, it can expand out. You know, the dual check valves are definitely smaller backflow preventers than like an RPZ model, which is the reduced pressure zone, or the PVB style, which is the pressure vacuum breaker. And some codes don't allow for dual checks. So that's kind of why I mentioned that at the beginning of this video, is that a lot of codes require either the RPZ or PVB backflow preventer. So keep that in mind. And then I'm gonna put it down here, and we're gonna flip over to the Nerd Cam, and I'm gonna give you an even closer look at this device. So hold on tight, buckle up. We're going into the Nerd Cam. Nice, all right. So it comes with a little metal tag. Scan here to learn more. My guess is you could probably learn more there in written form that I'm going to show you on this video. But this is about as close a view as you're ever going to get of the Wilkins or ZURN Wilkins 350 dual check valve 1-inch backflow preventer. Very nice, very nice. I'm not going to take it apart, but yeah, we'll flip on back. I hope that helps give you an idea of the size of it and maybe just a little bit about it. If you do want to learn more about this, you can visit our website, or you can visit the ZURN website directly. You can get all the tech specs and the downloads, and you can learn everything that there is to see about this product right there on ZURN's website. And if we can help you determine what type of backflow that you need, or if you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're available by phone, chat, email, and text message. So until the next product overview, happy sprinkling, my friends. We'll talk to you then.